Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to get back on the 1962 military Jeep. We finally got the engine back from the builder, so we're going to go ahead and put that back in. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, gotta tell you something. If you remember back to the episode of the Super Bee when I was having the shifter issues, if you remember, I blamed my wife for that. Well, apparently she watched that episode and look at that. No, I just walked into the end of the lift, so fun stuff. This is our new boy Ozzy, new addition to the family. He's apparently he's a little camera shy. Oh, he's ready for his biscuits. Hey, Ozzy. He's a sweetie. So the engine's all rebuilt now and should be all nice and fresh. Hopefully the engine builder put a little sand in the oil pan for us. That's always fun to start up a fresh engine, so just kidding. Anyway, it's all rebuilt and ready to go, so let's get working on it. All right, let's see if we can't remember how this goes back together. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a little cleaning there.
Say that again?
I was talking to the camera. Said looks like I'm gonna have to do a little cleaning on here. Alright, so this has got two bolts that are a little bit different from each other, and they go here on the flywheel, so that's how you know which way it goes, I guess. So ironically, those two are studs and the other two are bolts, so I have to fish a wrench down in here to get a hold of the nut. I'm just gonna like snug these up right now and then torque them. All right, now I gotta find a clutch tool that fits that so we can get this clutch in there and centered and we don't have any issues bolting it into the truck. All right, let me show you something I did on the clutch. Something I do whenever I can. If you look close, there's two marks there. There's one mark there, and there's three on the bottom one. I marked the clutch the same way, so I know which way it came off. And I always try to put that back on exactly the same way as I took it off. That way there's less chance if there's any vibrations or any weird stuff like that. So it's something that's real quick and simple to do, and but you don't have to, but what the heck. Throw a little Loctite on it.
song am I singing? I told you this over and over. Whenever I put an engine in, or see somebody putting an engine in, go Grease Lightning.
Oh.
Remember in Grease, John Travolta, I think, is up there on top of the hoist as they're rolling it in.
Yeah.
And I never fully saw the Grease movie until probably a year ago.
Oh yeah. If you come over here and hold it, I can let it down. I think this is pretty close as to where it's how it's gonna go. I won't let it down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Behind these. Well,
Back this way a little bit. Yeah.
okay, yeah, now you're coming down some.
Okay.
You know, the only issue here,
Yeah, we gotta get the shaft in place now.
yeah, get it level.
This in here. This on the other side, okay.
Gotta come down just a pinch more. Okay, right. That's pretty close, but we're kind of like, I'm exaggerating.
Uh-huh. We're probably just a hair low at the back, aren't we?
The back of the engine,
Yeah.
on this side, yeah, just a pinch. Let me check up just there. Pretty close. I just don't think at the angle it's going to go in.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to think how we did it last time. We
Yeah,
may.
I took it out. I only took it out. I didn't put
Yeah,
it in.
and I just helped Jake the one time. We can't jack up. I don't think we can jack up. Let me see if we can jack up that transmission.
The transmission's pretty fixed. We're gonna have to go off the engine.
Wait, oh, the transmission's not going to move?
It's not much, no. So we might be able to lift the back of the engine up a little bit, if that's the issue.
I mean, we're probably maybe an inch and a half more away at the bottom than the top.
Yeah, I can see we're leaning back slightly.
So how can we tilt?
That's what I mean, can we jack up the back of the engine?
Oh, okay.
I mean, it definitely stood back. I'm not sure. If you look, there is one stud on here.
Yeah.
It's on the top on your side. I don't know if you can tell if we're where it needs to be. It looks like the engine may be rotated just slightly to your side. See that stud?
Yeah, actually, we may be going in it.
Okay,
We may be in it.
okay.
Yeah, see, to me, the top of the flywheel is in, the teeth,
Right,
and the bottom are not.
okay, so we need to lower the front of that.
Yeah. Or raise it back.
All right, it actually went in pretty smoothly. I have no complaints about that. Now I just got to get it bolted up to the transmission, which will be a challenge, and then get everything else bolted together. So here we go. Try to put in that one infamous starter bolt that I couldn't get to before. That starter bolt done. Probably only took 20 minutes to get it on. I'm getting really good at it. Hopefully I never have to look at it again. Now I just got to tighten up the bottom starter bolt. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time.